Welcome. If you want to check phone specification of your NOKIA 7.2, for the first you have to go to the settings. Right now you have to scroll down, click on the About phone, and here you can find the basic information about your smartphone. For example, you can enter the model and the hardware, and also we can check the Android version. So let's tap on it a few times. Let's click here to go back. There's the other things like the build number, play system update, baseband version, and here are the IP address, the Bluetooth address, and also the uptime. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.